Drafts are more than just a minor inconvenience. That subtle rush of air near a window can make rooms feel uncomfortable, disrupt indoor temperature balance, and cause heating or cooling systems to work harder than necessary. Over time, older windows often lose their ability to seal tightly, allowing outside air to enter and conditioned air to escape. For homeowners in Mandeville, upgrading to new replacement windows is one of the most effective ways to reduce drafts and restore consistent indoor comfort. Why drafts develop over time? Windows are exposed to daily temperature changes, humidity, and general wear. In Mandeville houses, aging window frames may shift slightly, and weather stripping can deteriorate. As seals weaken, small gaps form between the sash and frame. These gaps may be difficult to see, but they can allow noticeable airflow. New replacement windows are designed to eliminate these weak points and create a secure barrier against outdoor air. Improved weather stripping and seals. One of the biggest advantages of modern replacement windows is enhanced sealing technology. New windows installed in Mandeville homes feature advanced weather stripping that tightly seals the edges when the window is closed. Compression seals help prevent air infiltration, reducing the chance of drafts even during seasonal temperature shifts. Proper installation ensures that these seals perform as intended. Multi-pane glass for better insulation. Glass technology has significantly improved in recent years. Replacement windows often include double or triple pane glass, which creates insulating layers between indoor and outdoor temperatures. In Mandeville houses, this added insulation helps minimize heat transfer and further reduces the feeling of drafts near window areas. Durable frame materials. The frame itself plays an important role in draft prevention. Modern window frames used in Mandeville homes are built with materials designed to resist warping and maintain structural integrity over time. Stable frames help ensure the window remains properly aligned and sealed. Older wooden frames may swell or shrink, creating small air gaps. Replacement windows address this issue with materials engineered for consistent performance. Balanced indoor temperatures. Drafts can cause uneven temperatures throughout your home. Certain rooms may feel cooler or warmer than others due to air leakage. By installing new replacement windows, Mandeville homeowners can stabilize indoor conditions and eliminate uncomfortable cold spots near seating areas or bedrooms. Reduced strain on heating and cooling systems. When drafts occur, indoor systems must compensate to maintain comfort. New replacement windows in Mandeville help reduce unnecessary workload by maintaining tighter seals and consistent insulation. This supports a more stable indoor environment throughout the year. Enhanced everyday comfort beyond efficiency. Reducing drafts simply makes your home feel better. Mandeville residents who upgrade their windows often notice immediate improvements in comfort. Rooms feel cozier during cooler weather and more stable during warmer months. Long-term value and peace of mind. Replacing outdated windows not only improves comfort but also enhances the overall performance of your home. In Mandeville neighborhoods, homes with updated replacement windows often appear well-maintained and energy-conscious. A smart upgrade for draft-free living. If you feel air movement near your windows or notice uneven temperatures, it may be time to consider an upgrade. For homeowners in Mandeville, new replacement windows offer a reliable solution to draft problems. With improved sealing, modern glass technology, and durable frames, they help create a more comfortable, balanced indoor environment year-round.